As part of our quick hit video series here, we're going to briefly go over how to import a list. So I'm starting from my home page. I'm going to go up to lists. I'm going to click new list. I have 5 options here. I could search and build a new list from our list purchasing tool. I can click CSV file. I can click an Excel file. I can click from my HubSpot integration or my Salesforce integration. So for this example, I'm just going to click CSV file. Now we have to name the list. I'm going to call this test 1. I'm going to go down here to upload my file. I'm going to click test list from my downloads. And it's important to note on your CSV file, all the data should be on one sheet. You can't have separate tabs for the data. And it should have no special characters. And all the columns should have a header or title in the first row. So now that I've selected my file, I'm going to go ahead and click Next. This is a preview of my data, just to see what you're uploading. This looks good. I'm going to start mapping. Now when it comes to mapping my fields here, you may either have a first name and a last name, or just a company name, or both. They'll be printed on 2 separate lines in your address area of your postcard. Now your other 4 required fields are right here: address 1, city, state, and zip code. They'll show up green when they're properly mapped. So if I go down to city right here and I deselect it, it's one of my required fields. So the whole block is going to turn red. I want to go back here and I'm going to map to my city selection. After you've mapped your required fields, you have the option to map other common data fields. These are standard ones such as email, phone, occupation, etc. Then here at the bottom, you can also map up to 35 other user-defined fields. This is going to be your custom information that you want to use on your creative piece. So everything's green here. This looks good. I'm going to confirm field mappings. I'm going to import now. Depending on the size of your list, it really should only take a few seconds to upload. And now that my list is imported, I can see my valids to my invalids, and my list is ready to be used. I can go up here and find my list, view lists, and there it is, test 1. For any more detailed questions, we ask that you please refer to our importing lists help doc. It's listed right on our website, or you can always email us, and that email is support@postalytics.com. Thank you.